Hi, are you ready to explore a fresh and exciting approach to learning? Welcome to Abba Learning, where we are transforming education by crafting innovative and engaging lessons that truly resonate with today's students. Our dedicated team is constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in education, ensuring that each learning experience is tailored to the unique needs and interests of our diverse community of learners. So, what is exactly Abba Learning? And why should you be excited about it? Picture this, a vibrant community where cutting edge science, technology, and art education seamlessly blend together to create an immersive learning experience like no other. But that's not all. We take it a step further by gamifying the learning journey, making it an absolute blast for students to acquire knowledge and skills. At Abba Learning, we believe that education should be interactive, engaging, and most importantly, fun. We have said goodbye to the days of boring lectures and monotonous memorization. Instead, we embrace hands on projects, complex simulations, and real world problem solving activities that ignite your curiosity and unleash your creativity. Our focus is on developing essential qualities like creativity, logic, communication, reasoning, collaboration, and leadership in kids, preparing them to navigate the fast paced world and excel in their chosen careers in art, science, and technology. But wait, there is more. Abba Learning isn't just about empowering students. We are also here to support the unsung heroes of education, our amazing teachers. We provide them with the resources and training they need to take their classroom experiences to the next level, ensuring that they can effectively guide and mentor the future leaders and innovators. And let's not forget about parents. We believe that education is a team effort, which is why we actively involve parents in their child's learning journey. Together, we create a tight knit community where everyone is inspired to explore, innovate, and succeed, fostering a supportive environment that nurtures growth and development for our kids. So, how can you join the Abba Learning community? It's easy. Simply hit that subscribe button and become a part of our incredible journey. Once you experience the magic of Abba Learning, you will never look at education the same way again.